What's going on, traders? It's Gates here. I've got a nice short and sweet video for you for the watch list stocks for this week. Before I get into it, though, I want to make a huge announcement. I am starting another $1,000 account challenge. I know. I said I wasn't going to do any more, and I really thought that I wasn't going to, but due to popular demand, I figured why not? Let's go ahead and run it back one more time. So starting in March, I'm going to be trading with $1,000 in a challenge account with the hopes of growing that account. There's no end goal for this account challenge. There's not even a daily goal for the account challenge. I just want to grow it and show you what is possible with mastery of a system that has a defined edge that works. Originally, I was going to start this week, but it has occurred to me that traders need time to deposit money into their accounts and let that money settle before they can actually trade with it. So this upcoming week, I will still be trading as if I were trading in the account challenge, but it will be practice trading. So the official start date of the $1,000 account challenge is going to be next week. So if you'd like to join and follow along, I would love to have you. All trades that I take in the account challenge will be announced as I'm taking those trades, to include contract selection, to include entry price, to include exit price. Everything that you need to know will be announced in real time as I'm taking the trade. There's one catch: to be able to participate in this challenge, you have to be a member of my Discord server, and you can join the Discord server by joining the WAP, which is going to be in the description of this video. With all of that said, let's go ahead and get to the focus list for this week. Number one is going to be SPY. Had a reversal at the end of the week last week following such an aggressive sell-off from the all-time highs. I'm going to be honest with you, from here, I'm not totally sure what the next directional move will be. Does this rally get sold? Does it reject the 50 EMA? Or will it break above that downtrend trend line and reverse back up to the all-time highs like we've seen happen so many weeks prior? So here's the deal. For me, I cannot be bullish on SPY until it does two things. Number one, gets above the 50 EMA on the daily. Number two, reclaims the $600 hold number. Therefore, I will be taking SPY long, or looking to take SPY long, on a break of 600. Otherwise, I'm bearish on this, and I'm just going to be looking for lower lows out of SPY. So it's going to be a short idea under 585. And if we don't see any direction out of this at all this week, then I probably won't take any trades on SPY, as it would seem to be consolidating. So long above 600, short below 585. Number two on the watch list is going to be Nvidia. Another one where I'm not sure what the future direction is going to be. We had the earnings report come out, gap up from the earnings report, that totally sold off below the 200 EMA, but then the next day, Friday, that sell-off gets bought right back up to defend the 200 EMA as a point of support. So much like SPY, I am looking to take this long if it can continue to press higher, so long idea above 126. Otherwise, short idea under 116, just looking for lower lows. We're going to keep this really simple. If Nvidia can stay above the 200 EMA on the daily, I'm going to be overall bullish on it. Otherwise, if it can't, I'll be looking to take it short. If it stays below, I will be bearish. Number three on the focus list is going to be Tesla. This stock has been pretty weak recently, selling off, making lower highs as well as lower lows, to include a sell-off all the way to and through the 200 EMA on the daily chart time frame, which is usually a pretty strong line of support. Now, what's interesting is that Tesla's found support at the top side of a previous gap, which is $275. That means that if Tesla makes a lower low, it is not only continuing to sell off, but it's filling a gap, and that gap fills all the way down to about, what is this, $255 or so. So it's a pretty large gap. You're looking at about a 20-point gap right here that Tesla can fill. And you know, if you know anything about Tesla, you know it can make big moves pretty quickly. So this week, I'm going to be looking to take Tesla short under $275 if it can get there. Otherwise, I'll be looking to take Tesla long if it can reclaim the 200 EMA on the daily and reclaim the $300 whole number. Next one on the list is going to be Apple. We got a bullish engulfing candlestick on the daily. Look at this bottoming wick too. It sold off like a lot of the market has been recently, but this one had a much more significant bounce than a lot of these other names. So the buy up off of this dip low to put it back above the 50 EMA on the daily, I'm not bearish on Apple at all. I'm actually going to be looking to take this long above $243, looking for higher highs and the run back up towards 250. And the final one on the watch list is going to be AMD. This stock has just been super weak, been unable to get back above the $100 whole number. I'm not looking to take this long at all. I'm only looking for lower lows out of this. It's going to be a short idea below $98. Very simple watch list this week, very straightforward watch list this week. A lot of my personal trades are going to hinge on market direction, which we don't know what it's going to be yet at this time. So just a reminder, the $1,000 account challenge will start next week officially, not this week. Next week officially. We're going to use this week as a practice week, but I still highly recommend that if you want to participate in this challenge, you get into the Discord server sooner rather than later, because I will be raising the price of the server every single day from here on out until we start this $1,000 account challenge. So if you want to get in at the absolute cheapest price possible, as well as get an extra week of practice with me in the system that I teach before the actual challenge starts, join today. The link will be in the description of this video. Hope the analysis has helped. I hope that you've had a great weekend, and I will see you tomorrow. Good luck, and I hope you make some money. Cheers.